Do you ever feel like giving up? Like no matter how much work you put in, you just don't see any results? In today's video, we gone now be talking about why you might be struggling to stay motivated, right? Now and how you can fix it, so that way you can finally get the results that you've always wanted. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been subscribed for a while now, welcome back. I am an award-winning mental health physiotherapist, and it is my job to help you understand your mental health and how to fix it. So let's get straight into it. Why do you think you're struggling to stay motivated? Because you want to have a goal, or maybe your goals are aligned with what you want to achieve. When we don't have a clear direction of where we're going, it's really hard to stay motivated. Your goals need to be specific and they need to be measurable. So instead of saying I want to lose weight, say I want to lose 10 pounds in the next 3 months, because that is something that you can actually measure, and that will help you stay accountable. The next reason could be that you do believe in yourself, or you do have confidence in yourself. Maybe you've tried starting over before and you failed, and so this time, you just not even gone, not try, because you don't believe that you can do it. Well, you need to start believing in yourself and having confidence in yourself. If you achieve anything in life. Nobody ever became successful without having belief in themselves. So whatever it is that you want to achieve, make sure that you believe that you can do it. The next reason could be that you're afraid of failure. Failure is what happens when we learn from our mistakes and adjust our actions based on the feedback that we get. Without failure, we wouldn't be able to grow and we wouldn't be able to learn. And I know it's easier said than done, but you need to start seeing failure as a stepping stone to success. Every single person who has ever been successful has experienced failure. And if you look at their lives, you will see that it was their ability to bounce back from failure that made them successful. The next reason could be that you have low energy. We need energy to do things. And if you're feeling burnt out or exhausted all the time, then it's going to be really difficult to stay motivated. Make sure you're taking care of your physical health by eating well, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly. All of these things are have a huge impact on your energy levels. And it has also help you stay focused and motivated. The next reason could be that your procrastination is the enemy of motivation. When we procrastinate, we're basically just delaying things that we don't want to do. And this can lead to a vicious cycle where we just keep putting things off and we never actually get anything done. The best way to avoid procrastination is to just get started. Once you start working on something, it's going to be easier to keep going. Also, break down big tasks into smaller ones. So instead of looking at a big project as one big task, break it down into smaller tasks that you can complete in small chunks. That way, it has not seem so overwhelming and you're more likely to get it done. And lastly, it could be that you're not celebrating your successes. When we celebrate our successes, it reinforces the behaviors that led to those successes. So when we feel good about ourselves and we feel proud of ourselves, it makes us more likely to repeat that behavior in the future. Make sure that you're taking the time to celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they seem. This is going to help you stay motivated, and it's going to help you keep going. So those are some reasons why you might be struggling to stay motivated and how to fix it. Remember, it's okay to not be okay. We all struggle with motivation sometimes. The important thing is that we don't give up on ourselves. Don't ever give up on yourself. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you back for the next video. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.